Hi, my name is Steve Taylor, and I'm the Coating Product Manager at Thomas Processing. I'm telling you, we live and breathe innovation here, and that's great because designing, inventing, and pushing back the frontiers of knowledge are what sets the human race apart. And being part of that makes me valued. That's why I've been here for nearly 35 years, because at Thomas, we're right there on the front line of innovation, looking into the future. Tablet coating is my specialization. I've been involved in several key breakthroughs here at Thomas, like our optimized helical baffle design, our continuous coating systems, and our cylindrical drum research. This innovative drum design showcased how a shallower, smoother tablet bed profile would create a more consistent mixing action and a more uniform application of the coating solution. Now, that may sound easy, but believe me, you need experience to spot an improvement like that and a great team to develop it. That's Thomas in a nutshell, a company that believes in innovation with a vision based on people with potential.